Oh shit, y'all, we moving. He gaining on my ass, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna hit it, I'm not gonna hit it. Oh, he's smart, that was clean. This nigga's moving. On me, he's moving. Alright, y'all, let's see if we can catch him. These seats are not comfortable, y'all. Oh shit, yo. That was a good turn. Racing line, brother. Hey, what's up, Tuesday, Bluetooth, and we back another video today, man. Today we're at Android. As you can see, I'm in a go-kart. We're gonna see how this shit go. Is my camera recording? Yeah. Alright, for sure. Appreciate it. You said keep going? Just go? I can't hear him. Yeah, I cannot hear this nigga. Oh shit. Ah, this is not full speed. I don't think it's full speed. Oh shit. Oh shit, y'all, we moving. Damn, I ain't think I was gonna get the brake on this bitch for shit. Yeah, this shit fast as fuck. This shit fast as fuck, y'all. I got a brake right there, boy. Y'all, this shit fast as hell. I gotta make sure he stay behind me. He gaining on my ass, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, we got it. He gaining on my ass, y'all. He gaining on my ass, man. Yeah, I can stop it. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm scared. Damn. I'm choking under pressure. I'm choking under pressure. It's been having the sound back here, but y'all know I can hear the sound, but. I'm not gonna hit it. I'm not gonna hit it. I'm not hitting this nigga right for. He's gonna beat that. What happened? This nigga died? Oh. What is that? Alright, so I was getting Texas now. Oh, he's smart. That was clean. That was fucking fast. Alright, let's see if we can catch this now. Alright, so let's do it. This nigga's moving. On me, he's moving. Alright, y'all, let's see if we can catch him. He's braking. He's braking. The line. Let's go. Let's go, y'all. God damn. Let's go. Let's see if we can get his ass. Look at these seats are not comfortable, y'all. Oh shit, yo. That was a good turn. Racing line, brother. Oh, y'all can be. Oh, damn. Oh, shit. Damn, I should have raced with them. Y'all. Alright, y'all. So I'm on the voiceover, man. Y'all made it to the last part of this video. I rock with y'all. Anyway, man, this was such a fun experience. I'm gonna be going back again next week, but I just want to get a little update on like what happened. So I got second place. So basically it goes by your fastest lap time. So it's not necessarily about what place you come in, it's about like the fastest lap time. So I got the second fastest lap time. I'm put a little screenshot up here. You're gonna see the time and stuff. But yeah, man, super fire, man. I enjoyed it 100%. And I'm gonna keep this little series going until I become that nigga. You know what I'm saying? Next time though, I'm gonna go with a lot of people, like, so I can have like some races and stuff. And I'm gonna talk a little more. I really didn't talk that much because I think that y'all can hear me for real. Cause I didn't really get to test it for real. But I think it was a little that I'm gonna do a different camera angle too. I can see a little more, and then you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna talk for real, but super fun, bro. Them seats was not comfortable, but it was super fun. I'll be back next time. I'm doing a 3 race joint, so it's gonna be like a lot more content type. But I've got you one, get you one. Me ain't got you one. You better get you one. I think I'm giving you one. If I get mine before you get yours, I'm gonna tell the city up for free. But yeah, it was. I only raced with this couple. They was super cool. I rocked with them. They was, you know what I'm saying, talking to me and shit. But GG's, man. We're gonna be back. We're gonna be better for real.